Welcome back, guys. We're trustedshopguy.com, and today we are in the kitchen. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our best airtight food storage containers. Whether you're a seasoned chef or an aspiring home cook, these containers are your secret weapon for maintaining food quality and simplifying meal prep. So get ready to embark on a culinary journey where freshness, convenience, and style unite with one of our list of airtight food storage containers at your side. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. Be sure to visit our website at trustedshopguy.com for more of our research in the kitchen, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The fifth food storage container in our list is the Tiger Chef Food Storage Containers, which trustedshopguy.com has awarded a 4-badge rating. Prepare to be impressed by the comprehensive range of sizes included in this set. From 2 quarts to 22 quarts, Tiger Chef has you covered. The color-coded snap-tight polyethylene covers ensure optimal freshness and protect your stored food items from outside contaminants. The one standout feature of these containers is their efficient square design. With their ability to stack compactly, they maximize storage space and allow for efficient utilization of ingredients. Whether you're organizing your kitchen, cooler, freezer, or pantry, they're here to make your life easier. You can say goodbye to guesswork and tedious inventory management. The easy-to-read red gradations on these containers allow for accurate measurement of food quantities. This feature enables you to keep track of your inventory at a glance, eliminating the hassle of estimating quantities or rummaging through containers to check ingredient levels. Durability is also a top priority with the Tiger Chef Food Storage Containers. Crafted from translucent, break-resistant polycarbonate material, they can withstand the demands of a busy kitchen. Additionally, they're resistant to stains and odors, ensuring a clean and hygienic storage environment. The containers' bases and lids stack neatly on top of each other, promoting easy organization and efficient use of space. Versatility is another key aspect of these containers. They're microwavable, freezer-safe, and dishwasher-safe, offering convenience in various food preparation and storage processes. To add to their reliability, they are NSF-listed, meeting the stringent standards set by the National Sanitation Foundation for safe food storage and handling. While the Tiger Chef Food Storage Containers generally receive positive reviews, it's important to note that individual experiences may vary. Some users have reported occasional issues with lid durability or difficulty achieving airtight seals. However, these instances appear to be relatively rare compared to the overall satisfaction expressed by many customers. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this to those looking for containers with extensive size range, color-coded snap-tight covers, efficient square design, easy-to-read gradations, durability, and exceptional quality. The fourth food storage container in our list is the OXO Good Grips 8-piece Baking Essential Pop Container Set, which TrustedShoppingGuy.com has awarded a 4-batch rating. Whether you're a seasoned baker or just starting out, this set will elevate your baking experience and help you achieve delicious results every time. It includes 5 pop containers consisting of 2.4 quart, 1 1.1 quart, and 2 4.4 quart containers. There's also 3 pop accessories, including 2 1/2 cup scoops and 1 brown sugar saver. One of the highlights of these containers is the simple push-button mechanism that engages the airtight seal. With just a push of a button, you can ensure that your ingredients stay fresh and protected from moisture and air. The button also doubles as a convenient handle for easily opening and closing the lid. What's more, the containers are thoughtfully sized to accommodate a wide range of baking essentials, such as 1-pound boxes of brown sugar, 5-pound bags of flour and sugar, baking soda, baking powder, chocolate chips, coconut flakes, and more. This ensures that all your essential ingredients can be stored in a neat and organized manner. To further enhance convenience, the set includes handy accessories that attach neatly to the underside of the pop lids. The 1/2 cup scoops are perfect for measuring ingredients accurately, while the brown sugar saver helps to keep your brown sugar soft and clump-free. Cleaning these containers is also a breeze, as they are dishwasher safe. The construction is designed to be top-rack dishwasher safe, saving you time and effort in cleaning up after baking sessions. Plus, the space-efficient design allows for containers to stack perfectly with other pop containers, enabling you to customize your storage space according to your needs. For optimal usage, it's recommended to always use the button to open and close the containers. It's important not to carry the pop containers by the lid to prevent any mishaps or accidents. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for anyone looking for a container that combines functionality, convenience, and safety. The third food storage container in our list is the Progressive International PKS 100 flour container, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-batch rating. Let's dive into the impressive features and thoughtful design of this model. It is meticulously crafted to cater specifically to your flour storage needs, ensuring freshness, organization, and easy accessibility. First off, capacity. The Progressive International PKS 100 flour container offers a generous size, allowing you to conveniently store a large quantity of flour in one dedicated place. Designed to accommodate standard-sized bags of flour, it eliminates the mess and hassle of transferring flour, making pouring and refilling a breeze. One standout feature of this flour container is its secure and airtight seal. This seal effectively keeps your flour fresh for extended periods by preventing moisture, air, and unwanted odors from entering. Your flour will maintain its quality and flavor over time, ensuring your culinary creations are always at their best. Transparency is key when it comes to storage containers, and the PKS 100 excels in this aspect. Made from transparent material, it allows for easy visibility, enabling you to effortlessly monitor the quantity of flour remaining. This feature ensures you can restock in a timely manner and never run out of flour unexpectedly. Durability is another key consideration. Constructed from high-quality and durable materials, it can withstand the demands of everyday kitchen use, even with frequent handling. Convenience is at the forefront of the Progressive International PKS 100 flour container. The measurement label on the side of the container is a game changer. This handy guide allows for accurate measurement of the flour needed for your recipes, eliminating the need for additional measuring cups or spoons. Simply refer to the label and achieve precise measurements effortlessly. Now, it's important to note that while the container is specifically designed for storing flour, it may not be suitable for storing other ingredients or items. If you're looking for a more versatile storage solution, you may need additional containers for different types of ingredients. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this to those looking for a container that has ample capacity, clear visibility, space-saving design, and easy cleaning process. The second food storage container in our list is the Rubbermaid Brilliance BPA-free food storage containers, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-batch rating. Invest in Rubbermaid modular food storage containers and enjoy the convenience and peace of mind they provide. These containers are an essential addition to any kitchen or pantry, offering versatile storage options that'll revolutionize the way you organize and store your food. They're designed to hold a variety of pantry staples, from pasta to baking ingredients, keeping them fresh and easily accessible. Plus, with their space-saving design, these containers help you maximize your pantry space and keep it neat and organized. Not only are these containers great for storing food for yourself, but they're also perfect for pet food storage. The easy-to-clean design and scooping-friendly shape make it effortless to serve your furry friends their meals. The tight lids ensure that moisture and humidity are kept at bay, preserving the quality and flavor of the food. They're also snap-tight, creating a reliable seal that helps keep your food fresh for longer. Whether you're storing leftovers, prepped ingredients, or snacks, you can have peace of mind knowing that the freshness is locked in. When it comes to storage, these containers have you covered. The stackable design allows for compact storage, maximizing space efficiency in your kitchen or pantry. You can easily stack these containers, creating a neat and tidy storage solution that is both practical and space-saving. Worried about compatibility with your appliances? Fear not. These containers are freezer-safe, allowing you to store food for longer durations without compromising quality, making cleanup a breeze. Plus, they are BPA-free, providing you with peace of mind knowing that your food is stored in safe and non-toxic containers. What's more, the set includes a total of 10 food storage containers, each with its own lid. The sizes range from the spacious 19.9 cup container to the convenient mini 0.5 cup containers, ensuring that you have the perfect size for every storage need. This comprehensive set allows you to store a variety of food items in portion sizes, accommodating your diverse storage requirements. However, some users have reported that the plastic material of the containers is prone to staining and retaining odors, particularly when storing strongly scented or colored foods. Despite cleaning efforts, these stains and odors may persist and transfer to other stored items. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for anyone looking for a container with tight lids, stackable features, and compatibility with freezing and dishwashing. The best food storage container in our list is the PrepWorks by Progressive 4.5 quart large plastic cereal keeper container, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-batch rating. If you're tired of dealing with crumpled cereal bags and stale flakes, the cereal container is here to revolutionize your breakfast routine. First and foremost, the ample capacity of this container sets it apart. With its generous 4.5 quart size, you'll have plenty of room to store your favorite cereals. Whether you have a large family or simply love to indulge in different cereal varieties, this container can accommodate your needs. You can finally say goodbye to constantly running out of cereal and hello to a well-stocked pantry that ensures you never miss a delicious morning bowl. One of the standout features of the cereal keeper is its airtight seal, which is crucial for preserving the freshness and crispness of your cereal. The secure lid creates a tight seal that locks in the flavor and crunch, preventing moisture and air from reaching your cereal. This means no more stale and soggy flakes. Each bite will be as delightful as the first, providing you with a satisfying breakfast experience. In addition to its practical functionality, the cereal container boasts a transparent design that allows you to easily see the contents inside. Made from high-quality plastic, the transparency enables you to quickly identify your favorite cereals and keep track of the quantity remaining. No more surprises when you reach for your morning bowl. You'll always know which cereal to choose and when it's time to restock. What's more, pouring cereal has never been easier with this container. Designed with a flip-top lid and a convenient spout, you can effortlessly dispense the perfect amount of cereal into your bowl without any spills or messes. The port spout provides controlled pouring, ensuring that you can enjoy your breakfast without worrying about cleanup or wasted cereal. While the airtight seal of the lid helps to keep the cereal fresh, it's important to note that the seal may wear down over time with frequent use. This could result in a less effective seal, potentially reducing the container's ability to maintain the desired level of freshness. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this to those looking for a container with ample storage space available and prioritize the convenience of an airtight seal and easy pouring. And there you have it, folks. Our best food storage containers, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for a next food storage container roundup that you would like our team to test, do drop them in the comments section below, and we'll be sure to assess them for a next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We look forward to seeing you at TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.